are the maintenance solutions different at different stages? And the answer is yes. What you're going to change in your maintenance solution at different stages are when I have juvenile plants that are leafing, I'm going to include a KNF food, also called fermented plant juice, made from a tips. So go out and harvest something that's growing really fast, really vigorously. Bamboo is a great choice. I use sweet potato tips. I'll use anything that's banana tips, anything that's growing really fast. And those are just plants I have in my area, but whatever weeds are growing really fast, grab a bunch of those, grab those tips, and use that in the juvenile stage. Then your maintenance solution when things are going into flower or into their changeover period should be from your food should be made from unripe fruits or flowers, and that will help transition that. And then when you're going into the later stage of fruiting, you want to make your KNF food from fruits, ripe fruits, and that way you're getting more of the potassiums and those types of things that are really good for finishing out fruits. And so the rest of your maintenance solution or your maintenance formula stays pretty much the same, where you're using the same vinegar, the same calcium phosphate, which I call structure, and the same KNF medicine, which is called Oriental Herbal Nutrient. Those are the same. Those three stay the same, but you can alter the food that you're putting in. So your maintenance solution can differ there. So happy to help out Ronnie there and answer some of those questions. And yeah. And then, so I'm going to jump in here to the chat and get into these questions here. See, scroll through. Already got that question answered. Let's see here. So, Kanamandan is asking,